Out of 3 proposals, the only petitions submitted to the Secretary of State's office were for the Arkansas Ballot Measure Rights Amendment. Now the review process is underway to see if it will make the November ballot, and organizers say the other proposals did not get enough signatures.
We met that threshold in 62 counties, Brett, and we turned in signatures from all 75 counties in Arkansas. This was a statewide grassroots movement.
Protect Our Rights organizers say they submitted 108,837 petition signatures to the Arkansas Secretary of State for the Arkansas Ballot Measure Rights Amendment. 90,704 verified signatures are needed for it to qualify for the November ballot. The proposed constitutional amendment seeks to strengthen Arkansans' rights to make and repeal laws through the citizen-led petition process. It would require a 2/3 vote by lawmakers to amend or repeal an initiated act, and it would prevent lawmakers from changing a voter-approved constitutional amendment. The proposal was initiated to combat new laws that supporters say made it more difficult to get something on the ballot.
It's a hard process, as it should be, but we don't need legislators needlessly making it harder to try to exclude citizens from participating, from blocking citizens' ability to propose ballot measures, to sign ballot measures, and to collect signatures for ballot measures.
Bill Kopsky is treasurer for Protect Our Rights. The nonprofit joined in a federal lawsuit that, for now, blocks some of the newly enacted laws. Due to a federal injunction, the verification process cannot include ID checks for people signing petitions. Canvassers are not required to warn people that committing fraud is a crime, and they're not required to read the entire measure to voters or to make sure voters read it before signing a petition. The initial review by the Secretary of State is expected to take about 2 weeks, and more signatures are still being gathered.
So after the Secretary of State certifies that we turned in at least 91,000 that are facially valid, and then that at least 75% of those are truly valid, then we qualify for an extra 30-day cure period in which we can collect more signatures. We want to make sure that everybody in Arkansas has an opportunity to show their support for their own democratic rights and making sure the politicians can't trample on them.
If the measure qualifies to make the November ballot, it could still face last-minute legal challenges. Supporters of the Ballot Measure Rights Amendment say, if approved, that it would change that by allowing for only 10 days to file a lawsuit once an approved ballot measure has been published. In Fort Smith, Brett Rains, 4029 News.